All right, so just want to go through ThinkorSwim and explain a little bit about the zones setup. First thing you want to do if you had ThinkorSwim is you want to go here with it says option buying power. I'm gonna click in there, and you want to put privacy because if you don't put privacy, it's gonna show your totals over here. So you want to make sure that nobody sees what your account value is if you don't want them to see it. Anyways, so I am on Eastern Standard Time, so New York time, and I have my stuff configured here for um, basically Eastern Time. So if you are in Central Time, so you can see right here how it opens up at 9:30 in the morning for me. So let's just say that you are on um, Central Time. You just have to go and click on all the different we gotta click on this little thing for studies and clicking here, and you're gonna have to start from the first one. Click the little gear, and obviously whatever you see at 9:30, um, you probably want to change that to 8:30, or actually you can leave this in here. You want to focus on it says OR begin 7 7 o'clock Eastern to 7:02. So that is um, the first zone that you're gonna see. Waking up in the morning, probably. I mean, unless you're trading from Europe. But let's just take a look at this one here. For example, this is the one. Let's just focus on the one that just opened. The 1800 hour, which is the 6 p.m. Eastern. Um, if you want a cloud, you can just say yes here. And what's going to happen is when you change the instrument, let's just say I'm going to change this to ES. You're going to see like a little cloud all over this here. But normally I don't have the clouds turned on. But what I'm trying to show here is this is the first candle, 1800. So if your central would be 1700, click here, find that here, change the 18 to 17, change the 18 to 17, 1802, 1702, and the same thing over here. Let's just say you don't want a cloud. Uh, you just apply that, and you're gonna see the first candle, the line here, which is uh, I guess you can call it cyan or whatever. Uh, I'll call it blue. I don't care. It's right here, so you can see the top of the candle and the bottom of the candle. So this is the zone for 6 o'clock Eastern. Now, if you want to take a look at 3 p.m. from Friday, which is power hour, it was right here, 1500. So that one is purple. Okay, so yeah, that one is purple. And if you continue moving over here, this is a 11:30 in the morning Eastern. So that is a London close and a 2 minute chart. You can see it right here. So this one is like, I guess, green, you can call it. Uh, then you can slide over here, and then this one gets a little busy because just look at the 9:30. The 9:30 is this one here. So that one is a little bit, that one is gray. And then here is a 7 o'clock in the morning with a 7:02. The thing is with ThinkorSwim is that you just keep seeing those lines. Uh, you can see them from session, the entire session, they're carry over. So you can color code to whatever you want here. Um, let's just say, for example, that if I have trading view up here and I want to change the, let's just say, the ES here. And I want to look at the Globex, so I can see that that one is blue. So I'm gonna go over here. If you want to keep it consistent, that's why I have it blue. So let's just say if you want the zone to be blue, you're gonna have to go here. And I don't remember much about ThinkorSwim anymore, but I know that you can change the cloud to a different color. I might need to go in the code. I don't want to get too deep into this, but I know you can just change the color for the cloud. Okay, so here's the color for the cloud. You can just change whatever color you want here. Um, you know, make it a different color. Cloud on, yes, then or one, create a color, and blah 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 blah. So you can just change whatever color you want for that. So it's up to you and your preference. For me, is pretty pretty simple. Like, I can see that this is 3 o'clock here, because I'm just focusing on the actual zone. Like, I'm not going too deep into what is this one here, what's that one. I kind of know what they are. That's really busy. That's the reasons why I don't like ThinkorSwim. It's just way too clunky. So let's just say, for example, you have TradingView and you don't want to use ThinkorSwim or whatever. You can just uh, look at the active traded tab, and here you can detach this tab if you want. Uh, just detach it, and you'll be able to, like, just use the DOM from here, which is what I used to do. Which is, I will use the DOM for ThinkorSwim, and I will have it set up in TradingView if you don't have a different brokerage. Uh, that's that's what I will do. Let's just say, for example, like here, I would just be like, okay, I even forgot how to do that. Oh, okay. Look, you can just go detach, and it's gonna pull this out. So what I used to do is I would just go here and eliminate all of these things and just do one, and then I would do active trader, and I would get rid of this dashboard, and I would just have this out, whatever, and make you feel happy. I don't know. I will make a lot of modifications to this, but that's the way I used to do it, and I would do my setup just like that. I'll get rid of this, and then I'll have the DOM here, and that's the way I would have done it. Let's just say you want to sell one here, you just sell one over here. You can either create, auto send or whatever. You can. I'm not teaching a lesson on ThinkorSwim, but anyway, I don't like ThinkorSwim, so I dislike the platform a lot. I do have the setup for it. It's right there for people to use it, but this is my least favorite platform, all-time least favorite platform. So, but the setup is there for those that like to use it, and that's pretty much it. All right, take care.